Welcome to Brave Hub. Today, we're going to learn the basics of Python programming in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's widely used in web development, data science, automation, and much more. Now, let's get our hands dirty with some code. First, let's start with the classic Hello World program. Simply type print Hello World and run it. This will output Hello World to the screen. Easy, right? Next, let's talk about variables and data types. In Python, you can store data in variables without declaring their type. Python figures that out for you. Here we have an integer, a float, a string, and a boolean. Python's flexibility makes it super easy to work with different types of data. Python can handle basic arithmetic operations too. Let's see some examples. From addition to exponentiation, Python handles it all with ease. Just type the operation, and you're good to go. Control structures, like if-else statements and loops, are essential in programming. Let's start with an if-else example. If x is greater than 5, it prints x is greater than 5. Otherwise, it prints the else statement. Easy, right? Now, let's look at loops. We'll start with a for loop. This loop prints numbers from 0 to 4. Next, we have the while loop. The while loop continues to run as long as the condition is true. Here, it prints numbers from 0 to 4. Functions let you reuse code. Let's create a simple function that greets a user. This function takes a name as input and returns a greeting. When you call greet Alice, it prints hello, Alice. Lists and dictionaries are powerful data structures in Python. Let's explore them with some examples. Lists allow you to store multiple items in a single variable. You can add items, access them by index, and loop through the list. Now, let's look at dictionaries. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs, making it easy to organize and retrieve information. Python has a vast ecosystem of libraries. For example, you can use the math library to perform complex calculations. With just one line, you can import a library and use its functions, like finding the square root of a number. Reading from and writing to files is a common task in Python. Let's see how it's done. With just a few lines of code, you can write to a file and read its contents. This is a crucial skill for data processing. That's Python in less than 5 minutes. We covered variables, control structures, functions, data structures, libraries, and file handling. There's so much more to explore, but this should give you a solid foundation to build on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.